Hey, what is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We're here with another one, and today I thought I would go ahead and show you guys how to check if your BMW is a ticking time bomb, if this thing is going to catch fire. So now I've done a video on the recall, and for if you don't know about that or you want more information on it, I'll put a card right over, well, somewhere up top, I'm not sure, somewhere around there, it'll be up there. And but today we're going to actually look at one of them. Now there's two parts to this recall, and one has to do with the positive crankcase hose, and that's not really what we're going to be going into today, but we're going to look at the blower motor, and that seems to be the more severe of the two. And I don't really know why, but so for the many years these cars have been out, since 2006, there have been only a few incidences of these cars actually catching fire, but recently, maybe just in like the last 2 months, it seems like just as many that caught fire in the first 10 years have caught fire in the last 2 months. And so what really happens is the connection to the blower motor is defective, I guess. And so the two connections are copper, and they ground together, and the electrical current, basically hot copper, will burn through anything it touches and just set a huge fire. So we're going to pull out the bottom of the dash. It's underneath the dashboard here. So we're going to pull out the bottom, and then we're just going to disconnect the blower motor. We're not going to actually remove it if we don't have to. I don't think to do this we'll need to go to that much trouble. So yeah, we'll just pull the connection out, and basically if it looks good and white and there's no signs of any brown or burning or anything, then it's good. And then we'll just put it right back in. And I guess if it does look bad, then I'm going to go ahead and call BMW and tell them that I need a rental car, because, you know, if my car catches fire, you know, there's insurance and that'll take care of it and all of that and whatnot, but I really don't want to lose my car. And second of all, I don't want to burn my house to the ground. And, you know, I don't think anybody wants to burn their house to the ground. And if you do, then maybe you should see somebody about that. But anyway, so yeah, let's get right into this DIY. It's pretty simple. We're going to go ahead and grab a T20 Torx bit and remove this bottom piece. Oh, I never knew that was there. There's a little little cigarette outlet kind of thing there.
Fleslet on the beat.
Alright, so now that we have this loose, we are looking at this connection right here to the blower motor. This thing with the green lines underneath it that you can see, that's the blower motor. So, okay, so I have removed both of these connections, and from what I'm seeing here, I can't see it myself, so I'm looking through the camera lens too. And it looks like they're in good shape, so I'm not too worried about it. I'm going to have to look at this footage a bit better when I'm uploading it. But they look pretty good, so I'm not too concerned, thankfully. I'm very glad to report this, but this is how you'll check. It's a really simple process. These are the culprits right here, so check them out on your car, and if they look brown or just not white in general, then report into your BMW dealership and tell them you want a loaner car. And as you can see here, the wires on the black connector itself, sorry for this, trying to get to focus, there we go. They all appear to be in good shape, feel fine, no exposure, no metal. Sorry, I'm trying not to block out the light when I do this, but there's really such a small space, it's pretty hard to actually achieve that. And pull down the other one again, have a look. Same thing again, the wires look fine, so no concerns here. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. That's how you're going to check your blower motor, make sure that the connections are still in good shape. And it's really easy, everybody should do this. It took like 25 minutes tops. So yeah guys, if you could leave this video a big thumbs up, I'd appreciate that. Everybody really needs to do this. Make sure that their car is not going to, burn their house to the ground or leave you without a vehicle or anything of that nature. So please do this, everybody. It's really worth 20 minutes of your time. Like I said, thank you for watching. Please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new. There's plenty of E90 ownership tips on this channel. I've got a whole bunch of videos if you want to check them out, and I'll be publishing quite a few more very soon. So stay tuned for that, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.